Now latest rectum for the hyperbola. Now we have drawn a diagram. We have already knowing that a chord passing through the focus is called the latest rectum. Okay. So now according to the figure, let L1 L2 be the latest rectum of the hyperbola. Now let S1 L1 is equal to L. Okay. Then coordinates of L1 will be AE comma L. Now given equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, where b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. Okay. Now since L1 lies on hyperbola, therefore coordinates of L1 are AE comma L, therefore a square e square upon a square minus L square upon b square is equal to 1. Substituting x and y as AE and L. Okay. So from here what we are getting, e square minus L square upon b square is equal to 1, or L square upon b square is equal to e square minus 1. L square upon b square is equal to b square upon a square. Now b square is equal to a square e square minus 1. This we are getting from this point. Is it clear? Or we can write it b square upon a square is equal to e square minus 1. Is it clear? So now we are having L square is equal to b raised to power 4 a square and L is equal to b square upon a. Now length of the latest rectum L1 L2 is equal to twice of S1 L1. L1 L2 is equal to twice of L1 S1. Okay. So required length of latest rectum is 2b square upon a.